Hello friends, welcome back to channel. We have learned about cut command. Okay, df-h. This is the thing, and if I want column number one, so cut hyphen d is a delimiter. You can say space hyphen f1 field one. We got the field number one, but cut is having limitation because now if you see this output, this is having some space, this is having less space, so space are not equally distributed. So if you do 3, we are getting one output. You are not able to understand okay which field we have to trigger on because it is counting space as a field. So to overcome this situation you can use awk command. So we'll see first. df-h is a upgraded version of cut command awk, and in awk space is not get counted, it will count the field. So there's the definition. You put single quotes print $1. So this how column number one you are able to see, and if I want field number two, $2, we got it. Like $5 also we are getting what's the file system name and how much it's utilized. But this output is not like in a proper format, so we can take a help of column command and we'll put t tab. Now it's look in a pretty good manner. If you want to share with someone, it is good to share like this. So that's how cut command is not working somewhere, so you are having awk. So now if I say I need a detail of df-h pipe grep root file system. Okay, so we are having this thing. I need how much percentage use, so we'll do awk single this thing print, and field number is 12345 $5. Okay, we got 49%, but if I don't want the percentage, what we'll do, cut hyphen d delimiter delimiter percentage and hyphen f1 field number 1. We got the 49 number. So this how you can use awk and cut both the thing in a single command. Now we'll take some other command, like we are having if config. If you run, you will get the Ethernet detail. We'll discuss on enp0s3. So if config and the Ethernet name. So what is showing? It's showing Ethernet is having this IP. Okay, this MAC address. So every Ethernet is having a MAC address. We want a MAC address detail. So what we'll do? Pipe grep ether. Okay, and from Ethernet I want it just turned field number 2. So we can use of cut hyphen d delimiter space hyphen f2. Okay, 2 space 3. So we are not able to calculate this space. So here what we'll do, we'll use awk hyphen f, then print $2. Okay, hyphen f will not come. This is how you can get the detail of MAC address. Now if I want $1, so we are able to see. But what I am having a MAC address, so I should have a host name of this server, then only we can represent this IP address against that. So what we'll do, echo $host name and this. So first host name command will get executed and then Ethernet will come, that MAC address will come. Okay, but these two are going in a different line. So what we will do, -n with echo to remove the new line wala thing. Okay, so like you are able to see, this is the host name and this is the MAC address, but here one problem is we are not able to differentiate where host name is getting end and where MAC address is starting. So like earlier I have shown you column -t tab, but that is not working here because these are two different commands. It's not in single command. So now we'll see if config. Using if config, you are able to see this is the MAC address we are having. Okay, and this is the one Ethernet we are having. Now we'll discuss about the IP address. If we are doing if config, you are able to see ENP0S8 is having one MAC address assigned to this server. IP address assigned to this server. Okay, and MAC address is this one. So what we'll do, if config pipe grab whenever IP is assigned, so it will getting inet. But if you see inet this is coming and inet 6 is also coming, and there are two other Ethernet which is having the IP address. So to overcome this, what we'll do, if config this Ethernet pipe grab inet. Okay, so we are getting that thing, but it is taking inet 6 also. To exclude that, we'll use W. Perfect. Now I want only IP address. So awk print $2. Perfect. There's a thing. But if I say with this IP address, I need a MAC address. So for MAC address, we have to capture ether also. We'll do egrep. Okay. And we are getting both the thing, IP, MAC address. Now if I say I need a host name also, so what we'll do echo $host name. Okay, then this command will copy and paste, so we'll get all the three values. So every server is having, this is the host name, this is the IP address, and this is the MAC address. So accordingly we can make command using this thing. This is a part of a script which I was showing you. We have used echo hostname to print the hostname variable. Then we have used semicolon to terminate this command, and further we'll take if config enp0. Here we have grabbed two character inet and ether2. Okay, and we have print the second column of both the things. Okay, then we got the host name, IP address, and a MAC address. Okay, and if we want if config enp0s8, okay, we'll see it is having ethernet. So what we'll do, we'll pipe grab -w inet for IPv4. Okay, and I want a net mask. So what we'll do, awk 1234 $4, sorry, print $4, close the bracket. You got the net mask value, and you can do $3, 4. You are getting net mask is this, but if you want some space, column space -t, put the tab. Okay, so this how you can use multiple command. You can take help of comma, semicolon, single brace, double brace, pipe symbol, and make your own command accordingly to fetch the data. Here we are discussing about the awk command, which is the advanced version of cut. Where cut is not working, we used to take help of the awk command. So that's all for today's video. Learn this thing. This is very useful in day-to-day activity. Learn this. If you have any query, put in a comments box. I will answer your questions. Till then, keep practicing. Goodbye.